If you're a welder, you know how valuable quality welding jackets can be. Considering sparks are flying and you can't move because you're in the middle of a welding jacket is your best protection from burns and one of the most appreciated welding supplies in your arsenal. Clearly, you need a welding jacket that's fire-resistant and ruggedly made. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 welding jackets on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Westchester Iron Cat 7005. The Westchester Iron Cat 7005 heat-resistant split cowhide leather jacket is made from leather. This can make the jacket hot to wear in some shops and climates. It's designed to fit more loosely than many other brands. This provides more ease of movement, especially with its softer, more flexible glove tanned finish. There's a waist pocket with a flap for glove storage and a scribe pocket on each of the arms. Westchester built the Iron Cat 7005 heat-resistant welding jacket in a very rugged manner, using Kevlar stitching for resistance to heat and wear, reinforced with metal rivets at stress points. This jacket should last a long time, even in the high-stress professional welding environment. The jacket includes adjustable wrist cuffs to provide a secure fit. Users report that sizes run large with the Westchester Iron Cat 7005. It's designed with a high leather collar, and it's got adjustable waist straps for a good degree of adjustability. Because this jacket is unlined, it might grab your sleeves when going on or off, and it might not be suitable for very cold climates. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Heavy-Duty Leather Welding Jacket. The Lincoln Electric Heavy-Duty Leather Welding Jacket is a well-designed compromise that works well in the professional welding workplace. The front, arms and sides are full-coverage split cowhide leather. The backside is flame-retardant cotton that helps breathe to improve comfort and reduces heat. Lincoln designed this jacket with extra sections sewn into the armpits. They're constructed in such a way so as to improve movement and the ability to reach up and to the sides. One drawback is the unlined arms grab at your shirt because of high friction. The strip down the front, where the buttons attach, has a layered construction that protects the front and keeps the buttons from being damaged. The Lincoln K2989 also features an erect, upright leather collar with the same type of layered construction to fully protect the neck from welding rays, flying sparks and welding spatter. Both the sleeve cuffs and the neck are fully adjustable to provide a close yet comfortable fit. Number 3. Black Stallion JL1030BB Welding Jacket. The Black Stallion JL1030 cowhide leather welding jacket features full leather construction on front, back, sides, sleeves and collar. While it can be hot, this jacket is suitable for overhead welding, where you can end up with sparks and spatter coming down on your back and shoulders. This jacket includes a gusset patch under each arm to allow a greater range of movement and add strength in a high-wear location. Black Stallion builds a satin lining into the JL1030 welding jacket across the shoulders and down the sleeves to reduce friction, making it easier to slip the jacket on and off. With a full leather construction, this jacket can get pretty hot while you're welding, so it's a nice safety touch that the liner makes it easier to get the jacket off quickly when you need to cool off. The Black Stallion JL1030 welding jacket has an adjustable waist and sleeve cuffs and a tall, upright collar, maximizing safety and providing an optimum fit. There is a scribe pocket on the arm and a larger pocket on the waist to provide room for small items and glove storage. Number 4. Miller Electric Lightweight Welding Jacket for hot weather. The Miller Electric Lightweight Welding Jacket is very comfortable and lightweight, even compared to the other lightweight fabric jackets in this article. Miller is a great name for welding equipment, and this jacket has some good design features. The collar has a good shape to go with a welding helmet. The wrist cuffs are adjustable for a good fit to keep out sparks and spatter, fitting well into your gloves. One drawback with the Miller Electric is that it's just not going to take a beating as well as a leather jacket. These jackets are great for quick chores or when the weather is too hot to wear a leather jacket and you can get by for a while with something lighter and more breathable. Number 5. Revco Striker Summer Welding Jacket. The Revco Striker Welding Jacket is a lightweight, 9-ounce fabric jacket with flame-retardant properties. It's cooler and lighter to wear in the summer or for times when you're doing TIG or MIG at lower amperage and just don't want to deal with the extra weight, especially with TIG when you're doing finer work. This can also be a good choice when you've got a quick chore to do on the flux core welder. An interesting fact about the Revco Striker welding jacket is that Revco is actually a black Stallion brand. You can probably find a good combination of this lightweight jacket with a heavier black Stallion leather jacket to offer a full range of comfort and coverage depending on the chores at hand and the weather. The Revco Striker welding jacket features a tall adjustable collar for optimum protection for your neck to protect it from radiation burns or flying spatter. The adjustable cuffs keep debris and sparks from working their way into the sleeves, and the adjustable waist makes for a good fit. There's a zippered pocket on the inside for glove storage. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.